Hello, today is August 16, 2018. Now let's take a look at the performance of Bitcoin today. Bitcoin climbed as high as 6,500 last night before retreating to around 6,300. In the last few days, we have highlighted to you and our analysts that 5,900 to 6,400 region is an area of bottom shock. We emphasize that the selling pressure of 6,400 US dollar is pretty high, and the difficulty of breaking through is also relatively huge. And at present, the overall trend of the current price, I guess, is still maintained, hold at the bottom of the shock region. As we talked about it in the video yesterday, Bitcoin long position at the 4-hour level yesterday was, relatively good. So the expectation on the ultra short yesterday was optimistic. Judging from the results of last night's high point, which is around 6,518, the profit space is actually quietly good. As we see from this 4-hour K-line graphic, the currency has now completed 3 hits into 6,400 in the bottom area. Also, the price of the coin is now back to the bottom of the platform area. Again, we can see that the price is still flat at the 4-hour level, and the price did not break directly when it was back to trample, but was supported instead. So far, we have been able to maintain optimistic expectation. That is understandable given that the current's first overshot is around 6,400 and then fell back, and releasing the short selling power is required. We then switch the K line to the daily level, where the MA6 has started to go bull and has supported the rebound of the currency. As you can see from the below of this chart, the red column of the MACD continues shrinking, indicate that the power of the airdrop is further diminishing and that the parties are continuing to accumulate power. So, at every level, I personally think it's must that the price of the coin will break $6,400. And yesterday we also had a talk in the video that people can do 30% around low transaction. If you didn't make the high throw in the last night, you can hold on to your chips. If you had made a high throw yesterday, then you can buy half of the chips back. From the current trend, this bottom area is still in a very healthy form. It should, I guess, there has no problem to, break 6,400. At this time, we can move the first rebound of the current price to 6,800. Well, thanks for watching, and see you next time.